Welcome back to my channel. As you just seen that, guys, and you're wondering what it is, well, it's a veggie mince stew with spinach and mixed vegetable. Very delicious. So if you want to see how I accomplish this one, just keep on watching. Here's a run through of the ingredients. We have some frozen mixed vegetable, our veggie mince. Yes, I have bell pepper, red and green. Use whichever available to you. Spinach washed and chopped. Garlic and onion. A stalk of celery already chopped. And seasons of your choice. But all the season that I use will be in the description box below. So be sure to check that out. And the other step is to add hot water to our veggie mince and leave that for a minute while we have our oil heating up to saute our fresh seasonings. And this one is self-explanatory, guys, so see you at the end of the video. Just keep on watching, guys.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow, I think I'll chew it. I miss not
So here we're coming to the end of another video. I want to take the time out to thank all my supporters, both old and new. Appreciate you guys a lot. And for those that coming by for the first time, please tap the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you won't miss another upload. And this comes to show that we can have delicious food without meat. Yes, especially for those that love our meat. This is a very good substitute. I've been trying to do this at least twice a week. Yes. And this one can serve with rice, couscous, boiled potato, boiled pumpkin, whichever sides you choose. And it can even be used to make the filling for our shepherd pie. Great alternative, guys. So if you enjoy this one, please like, share, comment, share with a friend, and tell me all about it in the comment section. And until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.